Good morning, everyone. We're getting ready to start our circle time for today. So let's jump into our calendar. Yeah. Zingo loves when I say calendar.
I do. Calendar and balance.
All right. Today is Thursday, January 7th, 2021.
Woohoo!
If I can play our song.
I believe in you. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Ronan, close your door. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Woo!
All right. So again, today is Thursday, the 7th. Let's go ahead and do our pattern. I have to move my pictures over here. All right. We have a snowman penguin pattern. Can you do it with me?
Oh, we got some drinkers.
Snowman, penguin. Snowman, penguin. Snowman, penguin. Snowman. Let's try it one more time.
Snowman, penguin. Snowman, penguin. Snowman, penguin. Snowman.
Good job. We do not have school tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be January 8th. It's Friday. Let's go ahead and do our, let's just do Saturday is going to be the 9th, and Sunday will be the 10th. See you hopefully in school on Monday.
Whoop,
Let's
whoop.
go ahead and finish our pattern up until Monday. All right, start back up here. We say snowman,
Penguin. Snowman, penguin. Snowman, penguin. Snowman, penguin.
Do you know what comes next?
Snowman.
Good job.
Ooh, one more.
And then what do you think comes after the snowman? What comes next? Penguin. Good job. And we will see you on Monday the 11th. We said that yesterday was going to be cloudy. And it was a little bit cloudy outside yesterday, but there was also something else yesterday. What was it yesterday? Windy. It was windy. Those chimes were just ding, ding, ding. And
it was windy when I'm hot, when I'm coming, and when I knock the door.
Oh my goodness. All right, let's make a prediction. What do you think tomorrow's weather is going to be like?
I don't know.
Ooh.
I heard somebody say snowy, and I'm going to go ahead and put that down because I'm a believer.
I heard that too.
And this is Hilly, so he popped the door, and I was like, wow, there's lots of sun out there, so it really wasn't cloudy. So I changed that to I don't know what that was thinking of.
It was cloudy at 5 this morning.
Let's go ahead and say our ABCs. Are we ready to sing them? All right. A, B, C,
D, E, F, HIJKLMNOP QRSTUVWXYZ. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good job. And I was watching my friends sing.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go ahead and count all the way to 15. Can we do that? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
All right, let's count backwards from 10. So we start off quietly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Good job.
I like the way that Julian is using his listening ears and focusing on Mrs. Hill and counting. Thank you, Julian.
All right, we're going to do some colors right now. So, Mrs. Bazingo, do you want to unmute one of our friends? 3, 4, knock at the door or open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.